Oh, Panda's so excited.
Yeah. The bull's coming. Oh no, did you do my trick? Let's go, cows.
Hey you guys, welcome back to our farm. If you're new here, my name's Amber. This is my husband Lee, and we just like to post videos about what's going on our farm. Today is a very special day, exciting day. We have 2 new baby goats today, and we're very excited. Newborns. So we went out and checked mama goat a while ago who was acting a little funny, and Lee saw her on his way home from work. He drives past that field and he saw that she was acting a little funny, so we went up to check her, and she had 2 new babies. You made a friend? Yeah, she doesn't do that very often.
We got baby goats.
Everybody's excited. So anyways, we're getting our chores done, and then I will take you guys to see the new babies. Here's the junk pile. Every farm has one.
It's organized junk pile though.
Kinda.
I could use some of this junk, like this whole trailer. I can make another trailer out of it.
Oh, the dreams of the junk pile.
I bet you there's red mushrooms going back this pile.
What are you looking for, love?
Hear me?
Yeah, what are you looking for?
I'm gonna cut up 6 pieces of that pipe to make a post out of.
For the fence?
Yep. I'm gonna look for red mushrooms first.
I was wondering if maybe we needed to go look down by the river today.
Grandpa said it was 2 weeks after these red ones came around.
Yeah, I know, but that's not always accurate.
Right there. All done, pal. That one's
Yep.
good.
This is what they call false morels. They're kind of dried up, aren't they? There's several of them right there, though. They're trying to convince me to cook them. It's quite controversial, really, as to whether or not it's safe to eat the false morel mushrooms. I'm not going to eat them. I have cooked them for Lee and his grandpa before, but
What's
I
that?
don't know. I don't think I'll let my kids eat them.
I would eat them.
I know you would.
What the heck?
That is a good one.
Your dad walked right past it. There's a little one right there.
So he's getting those posts so that he can cut them off and prep them. We're gonna put new fence from this corner all the way down to the barn down there. So we're gonna need a good few solid posts.
quick. I am shocked.
Oh yeah.
Take a chair and put it up, guys.
They got it out. Look at that.
Go put the chair back in the garage, Whit.
But I'm relaxing.
We got a kid.
All right, we got done cutting that pipe, and now we're gonna feed the animals here that are closer to the house, and then we're gonna go see the new babies. I'm so excited. She's starting to bag up pretty good. She's been having a little bit of discharge here and there. Won't be long. So she was in with a milking shorthorn bull and a Jersey bull at the dairy that we got her from. So she'll be bred to one or the other of those. We're just giving her some extra grain to kind of build up her body fat for after she calves.
How you doing, Definitely putting on milk.
Oh yeah.
Big time.
What are we doing now, Whit?
So we're gonna pick up the baby goats and we're gonna bring them up here and the mom. We're gonna see if the mom will follow
You've
us.
got milk dripping out.
Who does?
Daddy, that's my
Go in the
stick.
middle.
This is my stick.
I don't see anything.
Oh, I seen it that time.
There was frost on the ground this morning. It's colder today than it was yesterday, so I don't know how far it's going to be tonight.
I think the low tonight is colder than what it was last night.
Yeah, they might not. They might not.
If the best case scenario, we was up here standing outside these goats watching.
Yeah. They're going and actually watching me.
Yeah, Miss Luna's down here with them. Hi, Luna girl. Hi, Luna girl. Aww,
I want to hold the black one.
so cute.
I caught carrying the black one. How do I cross the tree? I don't want to fall.
Help her, Daddy.
Daddy, I don't want to fall.
Well, here, that's it. Let it connect his leg.
I don't want to fall across the tree.
Come on, Mama goat. Come on, Mama goat. Come on, Mama. Oh, you're so cute.
Holy crap.
Also so loud.
My baby's not loud.
Oh my goodness.
I saw that rubber stuff on the floor.
Daddy said bring him back.
Carry Gruff Creek.
Yeah, okay. But I'm going to cross the creek.
You're so sweet though. Okay. Mama goat is not gonna follow, so we're gonna take him back over there to her. Here you go, Mama. Here you go, Mama. Here you go. Here you go. Sorry. We just wanted to take you to somewhere warm. All right, we're gonna leave him alone. Hopefully it doesn't get too awfully cold tonight. You're good, Mama.
Okay, I think the brown one was black. The brown and white one was black because it has like a longer vocal cord than the other one.
Oh.
So the vocal cord is longer.
How long has that been here for?
Your grandpa's Uncle Leroy quartered his wife on that tree.
That mean?
That's where they would meet to go on a date or spend time together.
Meet at this tree.
Let me try.
So how long ago was that?
That was about 300 years ago.
Exactly.
Yeah, Paul, just would have a lot of lines.
Peach trees are starting to bloom. Little peonies are starting to spring up. So beautiful.
Came off. I gotta take the gloves off.
There's another spring flower.
Are you using my rope? No, this
I'm
one.
just using a rope. I didn't pick out certain rope.
It acts like it's been burned now.
Really? You gotta throw on this side and let it go and then pull it. Look. The real cowboy show you how to. You're never gonna get it, man.
Go, I got one.
Cut out the parts that we miss and leave in the parts that we get it on there. Okay?
You want to cut out the misses?
That's a good plan, but probably not
Can you
gonna
do that,
happen.
editor slash photographer slash
How many times
Wife.
have I tried to get that done?
Paul wife?
Paul's wife and Mama.
No.
I might leave that one in there, maybe.
You gotta leave that one in there. That was a good one. You gonna try to move me along like a cow? You guys, or not?
It didn't fall out.
Oh.
So I took my socks off so I could feel it better, but now my feet are cold.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if your feet were cold. Maybe you should put them back on?
No.
Just doesn't get the extra. Girl, keep going. Oh, now. Perfect. God, I hit the branch or something.
It's the next morning today and we have a new baby goat. Let's go check it out. Can't wait. Okay, so it was like that, but in in between the fish and the cherry tree. So me went and walked to it back for that curve it, and then I seen Rusty run down the road, so I turned around and I said, "Hey, is that a baby goat?" I said, "Yeah."
I don't think she's gonna have an rival, but she might.
Oh,
They're
that's
just
so
on the
cute.
afterbus.
Good job, Mommy.
Well, we still gotta check on the two that were born yesterday.
They're doing good. They're doing real good.
It is definitely kidding season.
Yeah.
It's 3 babies in 2 days. Here's yesterday's babies.
One
They're
of
doing
them.
well.
So cute.
Here's the other one.
And we don't want to hold them too long. Yeah, it's off the book. I'm doing it. Well, she's looking good now, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna this side a little. Oh, what are you even doing over here? Look at that thing. I just didn't know what you done to make it like go flat and down.
So pretty.
Slick. Let me brush some.
Yeah. There's a good lady.
There's another one.
Yay!
can't have too many baby goats, can we?
No.
Step back, step back. Let's just watch from here. Look how cute. It's also brown and white.
It looks black.
Nope, it's brown. Aww. So that's it for this evening. Thanks for hanging out with us. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye.